Today I am going to show how to configure router in Cisco Packet Tracer. So let's start. First we need two router. So I select 2811 router. And also we need switches. So I select 2950T switch. And then we need some end devices. So here I select PCs. So I select 4 PCs. So PC0, PC1, PC2 and PC3. Let's make a connection. So click connection. So select copper straight through. So fast Ethernet 01 to fast Ethernet 0. 0 to 0. And again switch 1 to PC2. And also I make a connection between switch and router. Next I will click this router, turn it off, and I will select modules. I select W1 IC1T, so place it here and turn on. Same here also, router 1, I select the modules WIC1T and place it here. And turn on. Close this. Next I will connect between router to router. So select serial DCE. So here I select serial 0 to serial 0. Next I will assign IP address for this PCs. So click this PC, go to desktop, IP configuration, and I give IP address 192.168.10.2, and I will give default gateway. So 192.168.10.1. So this is the default gateway. Next to close this, again I will click PC1, go to desktop, IP configuration, I give IP address for this PC1.168.10.3, and I give default gateway 68.10.1. Click this PC2, go to desktop, IP configuration, and I give IP address for this PC2 68.20.2, 92.168.20.1. Close this. So now done with PC and move on to the router. With this router, click configure, serial 0, and here I will change the clock rate. So and IP address is 30.2 and turn it on. And go to the fast Ethernet and give IP address 10.1 and turn on. Close it. Again I go to router 1, so configure serial 0, change the clock rate, so 1,28,000, 30.3, turn on. Again we'll go fast Ethernet, give IP address for this fast Ethernet 20.1 and turn on. Closes. Next click this router under CLI. Go to CLI and give some commands. So let's exit from interface. First click enter, type exit, and I give IP route 0.0.0.0 space 192.168.30.1. and again let's exit from configure. Closes. Go to router 1, CLI, enter, type exit. So exit from this interface and type IP route 192.168.30.1. So let's exit. Closes. Now time to check whether we have configured successfully or not. That means we have configured successfully or not. Okay, we have to check. So go to this, take this message, router 1 to PC0. PC0 to router, so it shows successful. Show successful. Show successful and router to router successful. Sure, also shows successful. Next, one more way to check whether configured successful or not. So we have to use command prompt. So go to command prompt, type ping space, give the IP address .168.10.2. I give PC's 0 IP address and I click. So it shows packets received successfully from this PC0. So it shows send 4 packet, received 4 packet and lost 0. So that's all. So this is our router configuration. Thank you.